Hello there, Quirky Birders, it's Lynn here, and I just thought I would pop on and just record a fun and cute little video tutorial for you. Now, last week I was headed out to do a presentation, talk and also demonstration, and the design of choice was this little chap. Now, quite a few of you commented that you had never done him before, and I just thought it'd be quite nice to then record a YouTube video for those people that missed out. Now, I also know that quite a few of you, your journey started with Quirky Birds with this little design. So I know he's been around for a while, but it's quite a fun one, quite a nice one to do. So, I'm going to make a start and show you how to paint and draw your very own little Quirky Bird. So I'm going to put him just over there. Now, I've just got this little sort of crib sheet just to show you how to draw the beak and the eyes, because that's the only bit of drawing you're actually going to be doing with this little design. So we're going to make a start with the little beak. Now, our little bird comes in at quite a jaunty little angle. And what we're going to do first is we're just going to start by drawing in the beak. So you're going to start by doing a little semicircle. And then you're going to bring two lines down either side. Now, these lines need to be the same sort of length and also shape. And then we'll just put a little circular loop on the end of those lines, like so. You're then going to give your little Quirky Bird a smile, and then we'll tuck another little semicircle underneath, and then we'll also just put a little larger one over the top. So very, very simple little shape for the beak. You can give him a couple of nostrils. And then we need to add in the eyes. So we're just going to do two very, very simple little eyes there. Now, your challenge is to get these equal. So we're going to just do one little circle there. And then we'll do another one like so. We'll split those in half. Okay. Now, with the eyes, we can also just sort of wake his face up a little bit, as you know that always works quite well. So I'm going to use my 0.7 pen. And all I'm going to do is just come around the pencil line that we've just drawn. And then I'm going to colour in that black pupil of his eye. But I also want to make sure there's a little bit of a highlight there as well. So he's got a little bit of a sparkle in his eye. And we'll do the same on the other side. And again, give him a little highlight. And then you can always just add in a couple of little eyelashes as well. We'll put two at the bottom and three at the top. Okay, now that just forms the face of your little Quirky Bird. And all you need to do next is just create some shape. So we're going to create a couple of pencil lines that give us the shape for the comb of the feathers, and we can come around his cheeks and under his chin, and then you can add in his little neck. Okay, and that's the basic drawing of your little bird. Like I say, very, very simple little line drawing. So we're now ready to paint, and you can choose any particular colour you like for your little bird. And I'm going to start with a little bit of the blue to begin with first. And what we'll do is we'll start by just adding in that lovely comb of feathers. So we'll just start to add in around under his chin. We can put the little bits on his cheeks. And then let's take it round the beak. Let's put some shorter ones under his eyes there. And then you're going to bring the colour then down through his neck. Like so. Okay. So the next thing that we're going to do is we're just going to paint in his beak, and I'm going to use a little bit of bright yellow for his beak. So we'll just paint in all of that area there. I'm just going to be careful where we've painted the blue, because I don't want the blue to bleed into the yellow. I've got a little bit of distance, so it shouldn't be too bad. There we go. Then we'll paint the bottom. There we go. Okay. So once you've painted his beak, the next thing that you can do is you can add a second colour to your little quirky bird. And this time we'll go for a nice bright green. So I've got one of my nice vibrant greens here. And all I'm going to do is literally just overpaint the blue. So we'll add in the details to his little comb. And then we'll come around his little cheeks. Shorter ones under his eyes. And then let's come down through his neck. You just repeat this process in order to build up the colours of the feathers. So the next colour that we're going to add the colour purple. So again, you can just overpaint. And of course you can have fun with the colours, you don't have to do it this colour way at all. You can mix all sorts of different colours. The reds and the oranges and the purple also work quite well together. Be careful around his little eyes. And then we'll bring that purple down his neck again. And then the last little colour that I'm going to add, because I'm actually quite happy with the way that they're all sitting together, I'm going to add the colour yellow. And we can just add the colour yellow just on the ends as a little bit of a highlight. We'll come around by his cheeks. And again the other side. Again. Come under his eyes a little bit. And then let's just bring some little wispy colour through his feathers. Okay, so he now just needs to dry, and then once he's dried we will add in the ink detail. So we'll give him a couple of moments and I'll be back in just a short while. Okay, so our little quirky bird has now dried, and all we're going to do is just add one or two little ink details to him. And I'm going to just start by just coming around the outside of his beak. Now pen wise I'm using a 0.7, so I'm going a little bit thicker. And we'll just come around the outline of the beak. And then we'll add his little smile. Like so. And then all you're going to do is just using your pen is score over the top of where you have painted in his colourful feathers. So we'll just do some lines for his comb. Be careful with some little shorter ones around his eyes. And then we can do some larger ones through his beak. And the pen's just decided to run out. So come around under his chin. Down through his neck. And there we have it, one little quirky bird. So I'll just write quirky bird there. And that's it. Very, very simple, but great fun to do. I do hope you're going to have a go at painting your own very cute and colourful little quirky bird too. Take care now, enjoy your painting, and I'll see you again very soon. Goodbye.